Hi guys and gals and kittens, and welcome to the I Need a Magic show. So here's today's damage. I created a CRM system. As you can see, it requires username and a password. It's based upon RBAC, role-based access control, using JWT tokens, and of course cryptographically hashing passwords using slow hashing and bcrypt and all that good stuff with individuals per record-based seeds and etc. So when you log in, you come to Kanban board where you can drag and drop tasks, which actually updates them in the database. The system was entirely created using natural language prompts. I can show you here. I want to create a small CRM to manage tasks for a software company doing outsourcing. And as you can see here, it asked me some questions, and basically the entirety of the process took about 10 minutes-ish, roughly. I had to work with it and tell it to, hey, add this image, remove the primary keys when editing entities and stuff like that. So it doesn't like magically come out of the box without you actually applying any efforts whatsoever. But I don't know what to tell you. I mean, I'm a crappy front-end developer. And yeah, sure, I mean, this design looks like it was knitted by grandma, arguably. But I'd never be able to pull off this design without spending a huge amount of time. It automatically filters, updates everything, all projects. Here you see CRM system. If I choose a date or something, from the 24th, okay, so now it shows only etc. from, I guess. And it shows, allows me to create new clients, to edit existing clients. I could probably have created a little bit of animations and transitions when opening modal dialogues or anything like that, but I wanted to make a point out of that I only spent 10 minutes actually doing it. Let's say create a new client. Let's call them Microsoft. No, actually, let's call them Veslemjuk. It's kind of like the Norwegian equivalent of Microsoft, except it's a little bit insulting. Help them create AI agents. They have no idea what they're doing and they need help. Save. Now I can create a task for it. Let me create a task for our little AI agent project. Use rack. Very important. I save this guy. I go to Kanban now, and as you can see here, use rack. And now it's in progress. So now I've started that particular task. So for a small company, like for instance an outsourcing company with 25 employees or something around there, I would argue that this thing is better than Jira, not because of its features, but because of the lack of features. You see, projects like Jira are created like middle of the road solutions intended to solve everybody's problems, so they end up adding like everything but the kitchen sink of features. So your UI ends up looking like something that's having a temporal lobe epileptic seizure or something like that, and it becomes incredibly difficult to navigate because you get like these billion features you never really asked for and you never really want that. So when you're creating custom software like I'm basically doing now, then you get to decide exactly what features you want into it so you can eliminate everything else. And I would argue this is a better task management system than Jira, simply because of those reasons. With Magic, you can create and host 1 million of these apps in one single server, right? So you can like barf out micro apps intended to help your company administrate and manage your data or clients or whatever you wish, really. So anyways, that was it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.